Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 22nd, and on December the 13th of 2017, we started our carnation seedlings here. And on, I don't have that paper down here, sorry. But they came up in December, and they started growing for us. I started them in peat pellets, and I transplanted them on January the 20th. And this is the La France mix, and you can see here how much they've grown. They're in a 10-inch container here. And this one here is kind of growing this way, and I wanted to actually show you it's set bud to bloom. So that's our flower bud there starting to form. Now I did up the plant food on these. I did that last week. I took it to half a teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to a gallon of water for these, because they needed more food than what our current food is for our little seedlings, because as you can see they're much bigger plants, so they're going to require more food. And they're just growing away here. So when these actually flower, I will come back with another video and I will show you what they look like. And this is the La France mix, and these were seeds that I collected. So I'm hoping that they seeded true. I was growing some other heirloom variety carnations, which you can see some of the other ones here. There's more. You just can't see all of them. So I'm hoping that they seeded true and that they didn't cross. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.